guys, welcome to the YouTube channel TechLearn with Hasis. So today's topic is helping operators. So I told you already in my last video that when I was teaching you where class, that time I will create another video in between and on or. Okay, there are some wildcard operators also, that also we will be using inside like. So first we will start with like. So this is our table. If I run this table, just click on shift and home. If you click on shift and home, it will select from end to start, and you can execute this query. So you are getting all the values. So why we use exactly a like? When you have to display rows which is almost similar to that time you use like. So I will use like, see, employee name, and this like works on both the things, in integer also and in string also. So like, okay, if you don't use any wildcard operator, like work as a equal. But if you are using a wildcard operator, so there are multiple wildcard operators, I will start with underscore. Okay, if I keep underscore and I don't know that what is the next value, so it is showing me the Johnson name, because I have given matching name is JOHNSO, but I haven't given the name. So if, and this underscore, what it does, it takes only one position. It doesn't use all the position. If I keep like here, it will see only 3. So if employee name is one is Joe, it should start with the J, and the second character is O, and third character may be anything, but there is no value which has length of 3. So what, to reduce this, what we have a percentage. So what percentage do, it will see that whatever the name starts from Joe, that will display the data. So what you will do, you can select the query, okay, and you can execute the query by Control plus E. Okay, so guys, see the value of Johnson is coming. Now you can see other values also, which is starting from Joe. So there are 2 values are coming. So this is first like. Another thing, you have like other wildcard operators, so you can check in the documentation. Okay, so next parameter we have, I have already explained you percentage and underscore. Next we have the brackets. So what bracket do, if you write anything inside the bracket, I'll say JSO, so it will use as a one character only. This is one character. So anything which match from these 3 characters, whether it is J, whether it is S, or whether it is O, this will display the record. So just see, if it is J, it is displaying that record. Is there anything start from S? Okay, there is no S. So what I will do, I will put P or I will put H. So that you can see whatever the value which is starting from either J, either P, either H, see, it is displaying the record of these values. Okay, one more variable, one or more wildcard operator, we have range. So it is like a dash. See, you can see guys, if you see this, and if I do like from J to N, anything is there, I want the value. See, it is starting from J and going till N. So this make as a range. So this is a range wildcard operator. Another operator we have not equal to operator, which we can write like this or like this. Anything works. Okay, if there is no value start from A to C, because I have used two wildcard operator, one is not and one is range. So see, you can see this, guys. Okay, if you have any doubts or any question on it, you can comment on my video. Next thing I will go with in. Before going to in or between, I would like to tell you the or and and. So guys, if you know the gates we have, so see, or and what they do, there are two conditions, they combine both the condition. So I can say that if I want those employee details whose manager is 2, so this is first my condition, and the second condition is I want to see that employee whose name start from T. So there we can use another condition, that is like, and we can see that wildcard operator. So see, there is only one thing is coming. So in this and both the condition, this is first condition. So when we use and, that time condition 1 and condition 2 both should be true, otherwise this will not return you any row. So suppose if I change here J, this will not return you any record. That means there is no condition. So both condition, because manager is matching, you can see that, but this record is not matching with different. If you use this, the second condition, this is also matching, but see, both condition are returning the record, but together they should be true, otherwise that will not return any record. Next we have or. So or is very simple, very easy, I will say. So this is or. In the or, both the condition, whether match or not, doesn't matter, but any one condition should match. So see, the employees whose name start with J, those records are coming, and or manager should be ID, manager ID should be 2. So see, these two records are returning. So what we have learned, that in and both the conditions should match, but or where any one condition should match. Condition 1 or condition 2. So any one true, that will return the record. That is and or. See, why I explained first or and, because when you use in function, so that time what I am saying, that manager equal to 2 or manager equal to 3 or manager equal to 4. So multiple condition I have written. I think manager 3 and 4 there are no one, so it's not returning any record. Okay, I'll go with 6 so that you will understand properly, and 9. Okay, See guys, those manager ID which is 2, 6 and 9, that is returning, but that is the long way to get to apply the condition. What I will do, instead of that, I can write like in comma 6 comma 9. So it is similar to the same condition what I had written before. Like if you have written multiple condition for the same column, instead of that you can use in. Another our wildcard operator or helping operator we have is between. So what between exactly does is it takes the range. So I will say that whose salary start from 20,000 to 40,000, I want all the record of those employees. So salary between 20,000 and 30,000. Okay. See guys, so salary is between 20 to 30 is showing the record. So this is the helping, these are the helping operators we have. So let's summarize that. So first we have learned like. So in the like we have other wildcard operator, percentage, which doesn't take any length, it just matches the condition. If suppose it is start from J, whether how many character are there, that doesn't count. Next you have underscore. Underscore only check for one condition or one character, not for all. Next you have bracket. So bracket is something how many character you will write inside the bracket. If anyone matches, that will return the record. Another you have not, so that you can see it should not, it is like not operator which is false. If it is false, then only it returns the record. And another you have range. So you can see that if there is the value from A to C or 1 to 10 or like that, you can define that you have. Next we have seen and or. So in and, if there is both the conditions should match, then only the record will return together, not single. If one is matching, another is matching, but together they are not matching, no record will be returned or no record will be displayed. Another we have or operator, which is anyone if true, so that will return the record. And next we have in. So in is the combination of or. If you have multiple condition on same column, you can use in. And between, if you have a range of the data, that you can use between. So thank you guys, thank you for watching these videos. For other videos you can share and subscribe my channel. So I will be posting new video on this YouTube channel.